Is she able to pay a $10.4 million judgment?
Oh no, absolutely not.
After losing a high-profile defamation case against her ex-husband Johnny Depp, Amber Heard is in danger of becoming bankrupt. While being questioned on television recently, Elaine Charlson, Amber Heard's attorney, stated that the actress does not have the funds to pay Johnny. This is the reason why there have been suggestions that Heard will file for bankruptcy before making her appeal. Do you believe Amber will have to declare bankruptcy, or do you believe she has other strategies up her sleeves to prevent losing any money? Well, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about how Amber Heard has become the target of bankruptcy lawyers. On June 1st, the Court of State of Virginia dismissed the libel case between the ex-spouses. The Amber Heard-Johnny Depp trial eagerly awaited verdict was delivered. Both Amber Heard and Johnny Depp were found guilty of defaming one another by the jury. However, it is evidence from the money trail that the jury believed Heard's activities were more detrimental to Depp than the other way around. Depp was first given a $15 million award, but the judge cut the fine to $10.35 million. However, less than a fifth of what Johnny received in damages, $2 million were awarded to Amber Heard. Depp's lawsuit had asked for $50 million in damages, and while 10.35 is less than $50 million, it is still a significant sum of money. The crucial question is, does Amber Heard have $10.35 million laying around? Although the Hollywood actor's social media posts and remarks are receiving a record number of views following his victory, analysts are keeping an eye on his ex-wife financial situation. Losing the defamation case against Johnny Depp also means that Amber is going to lose a lot of money. According to reports online, the situation seems to have had a profound impact on Amber as she felt the need to consult with her attorney about filing for bankruptcy. The actress must pay the ex-spouse $10 million in compensation as per the court ruling, which was always based on the verdict at the Fairfax County jury. She also needs to pay fines, which may total $5 million, but are capped at $3.5 million in Virginia due to legal restrictions. Amber's trial failure has left her with a host of issues. Hollywood executives are unlikely to consider her for jobs in the future in terms of her career. The actress and witness alluded to her financial difficulties, while the enormous amount of support for Depp may cause brands and businesses to avoid her. Any body or organization that offers her help at this point will receive a public backlash, and that's not good for business. There is no turning back for Heard in Hollywood, according to British PR specialist Mark Bukowski. "Are you gonna hire her if you're sitting there producing a movie or considering the cast?" he said. "Look at the huge outcry about Aquaman 2, where a petition to have her kicked off the movie hit more than 4 million signatures within 24 hours. Amber's career appears to be in crisis right now. According to Reputation Management, Alexander Villa of in-house PR, who was quoted in the Mirror, "What has happened will frighten the big Hollywood studios. Smaller productions too will be wary about investing money into Amber for any project. In my opinion, at this moment, producers will have to consider carefully whether they will hire her as momentum of public opinion has shifted against her." He also emphasized the fact that people overlook the fact that Hollywood studios are companies and stars are hired based on whether they'll increase their earnings. As for the public's perception of Depp and Amber Heard, Spotted Media CEO Janet Comenos stated that producers are closely monitoring data. Comenos stated, "I think results clearly show that Johnny Depp is extremely hireable and that it would be a risk to a production company to hire Amber Heard because of the precipitous drop in the appeal that she has had since the trial. Heard may now find it difficult to fulfill her financial obligations, especially those to organizations like the ACLU, and the financial strain may force her to give up her activism career in which she supported organizations for women's rights." In case you have forgotten, Depp was ordered to pay Amber Heard $7 million as part of the divorce settlement in 2019. And after receiving payment, Amber Heard announced that she would donate the settlement funds to Children's Hospital of Los Angeles and the ACLU division that fights violence against women. However, the ACLU officially declared that did not take place. The ACLU had anticipated receiving $3.5 million from Amber, but they only gotten roughly half of that amount so far. According to a representative of the ACLU, when they contacted Amber in 2019 to inquire about her planned gift, she disclosed that she was experiencing financial troubles. The issue of Amber Heard's financial situation is no longer hypothetical. Elaine Bredehoff, Amber Heard's attorney, told People's Magazine that the Aquaman star is unable to make the judgment payment, which, by the way, is the correct term for the amount of money a defendant is required to pay. I mean, isn't that phrase just as terrifying as it is? Well, anyways, Amber's lawyer mentioned that she had spent more than $6 million on legal fees. She received practically all of that in the divorce settlement. The damage caused may also compel her to sell off possessions, such as the Range Rover she saved from her divorce from Depp and a secluded hideaway in Yucca Valley worth $570,000. The actress currently has 3 options, according to legal experts. Heard might be already planning to challenge the court's ruling, according to lawyers who have already made that statement. However, she will need to deposit $10.35 million in a bond to do this. Due to the actress's reputation having been damaged and the circumstances that have emerged since the trial, it'll be challenging to do this in the current context. The situation might also be solved by freezing her present and future earnings. In this situation, the actress will have to give her ex-husband a portion of her pay until the full debt is paid. But again, I don't think she'll earn much in a very long time. Even if the ruling itself is not unusual, it may take many years to pay off the $10 million. Hers request for a debt write-off and bankruptcy is another potential outcome that experts are discussing, but nothing in this situation is straightforward. According to US law, debt incurred as a result of intentional and malicious harm in a bankruptcy case is assigned a different line. One fan disclosed how the Aquaman actress is getting ready for her assets to be examined and secured in a tweet. The tweet stated, "The defendant is meeting with her bankruptcy lawyers now. All of her assets will be tied up. I don't think she'll be taking any great vacations, be on red carpets, or be invited to many speech events, and that's a win in of itself." No one is sure if this is genuine, but many experts both online and on TV anticipated it before the verdict was announced, so it might not just be a rumor. Even though Amber's net worth is unclear, CBS News reported that she had earned millions of dollars for her work in many films and television shows such as Aquaman and Aquaman 2. Additionally, according to trial witnesses, the trial has made her less bankable in Hollywood. The Aquaman actress can appeal the rulings, but if she does, she will still need to post bond for the $10.35 million judgment plus any other potential interest, according to CBS. Amber must therefore use her creativity to find ways to legally pay or avoid paying this enormous sum. There are some complaints online from people who are interested in the case that Amber Heard could be planning something fishy. Depp's fans specifically think that the Aquaman actress is merely filing for bankruptcy to avoid paying Depp the money she owes him after losing the case. If Amber is merely attempting to avoid paying off debt, I think she needs to come up with a better plan or at least hire a lawyer who can advise her properly. But what about you guys? Do you feel the punishment meted out to the actress is enough? Or is it too hard? Do you anticipate Amber's bankruptcy? Or is she attempting to avoid having to pay debt? Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on the best, juicy, and insane celebrity news. You can also click on the bell symbol to turn on post notifications so that you can get notified when we drop a video. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in our next video.